Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play Hey loves, hi dolls, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a couple of hairstyles. I normally do all my butterfly locks. So we're gonna start with prepping my hair. Gonna spray all of that. I started off with edges, but I do realize now that I never included it. So yeah, those are the two sprays that I use. One is to help with the shine, the other is to help with moisturizing and my hair growth. The first one is for hair growth. Yep, then you massage all of that in, make sure it gets distributed. Yeah, so that's just gonna be me letting it soak in, letting it chill in, and then we get started. First and foremost, you're gonna put your hair in a ponytail, right? And then this first hairstyle, you need to have a scarf, and that is me wrapping it around my head. You have to trust the process, honey. So that's literally what you're gonna do. It's very simple, honestly. So yeah. Okay, oh my god. I love it. Second hairstyle, we're gonna be using your bandana. Yes, you're gonna do that. You all know how you fold your bandana to achieve that, right? At least I hope you do. Yeah, so you're gonna do that with your bandana. Kindly note, I'm using the Locs to tie themselves up, to use them as in place of a ribbon. So yeah, this one you just put your hair to the side, put your bandana. The idea here is to hide those edges. That one, I hope it's that. I don't even know how many times I've been talking. Anyway, that one, you just turn that bandana to the other side. You're still maintaining a ponytail. The idea here is finding ways to work with the idea that, our hair is old. And there's the fourth one. Now you're just gonna put it down and, try something for lazy days. Just take the scarf and whip it around. It's giving Betty, it's giving rich aunt, okay? It's giving she pretty without too much effort, okay? So you might want to try that too. Alright, this will probably be the fifth hairstyle. So this one, it's just that no scarves included. It's just mostly locks doing stuff to themselves. Okay, that sounds wrong, but yeah, there's no scarf included. So you're just gonna tie the hair. It's sort of a mini bun in on top of your head here. You'll see at the end. I loved it. You have to, thing with locks is, you have to use them to tuck themselves in, because this head misbehaves. So yeah, yes ma'am, and that's how it looks at the end. You gotta put a little, right? It's giving, yes ma'am. Wakanda forever. But yeah, you can put it down, you can let it, girl, why are you being so fast? I'm still talking. Anyway, the other one is the same thing but without the bun, but this time you have it tied part of your hair, and then the other one, it's left enjoying itself. And this, honestly speaking, it's my go-to all the time. I love this one. Every time I'm in a hurry, I'm gonna go for it. Alright, seventh hairstyle, or eighth, oh my god, yes, this one, it does include scarves. So haven't tied your hair like we did with the first hairstyle. This other time, you're literally tying in everything, okay? Everything is getting put in. So yeah, that's what's happening here. Hear me out when I tell you to cross the poses.
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
All of that, after you done all of that, you gonna go in with an even bigger scarf. Now this is just to tie in everything. So here's the thing with dealing with scarves in your hair. You just play around with stuff. Nothing is perfect, nothing is determined. I just take my scarves and I try to figure out what could work. Does it look nice? Do I look nice? Do I like it? You know? So this here you could try probably on days when you're wearing probably your African attire, it needs to have a very strong outfit matching it up, because you gonna see at the end, honey, it's nothing basic. And if I had an African print scarf, that would have been perfect, because you're gonna see what your girl gonna do out here. You're gonna see. Check it. Yes, check it. It's giving runway. It's giving vacation dance. It's giving a high tone lady. Okay. Next hairstyle is practically the same thing, but with a difference of not having that little flower thingy in the front. So you're just twirling the scarf and then twigging it on itself. It's a bit simple, but it's cute too. Yeah, thank you ladies for watching. Why am I assuming it's only women who care or not? Thank you dolls. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you.